Hi there. I wanted to show you a really cool feature in the My Disney Experience app that I think you're going to find really useful. So let's get started. First off, if you have not downloaded the My Disney Experience app for your Android or iPhone, please do so. Get to know it. Start playing around with it because it is really a lifeline to you in the parks when you're moving around Disney property. It can give you step-by-step directions to a destination. It can also order your food ahead of time at certain quick service locations. But today, I want to point out the feature of searching for things within the app. So down here at the bottom, you'll notice the little magnifying glass. So let's search today for some coin press machines. If you're not familiar with what a coin press machines are, they are scattered throughout Disney property. They're in the resorts, they're in the parks, they're in some restaurants, and they are just one of those hand-cranked machines where you bring your pennies and your quarters from home, and they cost anywhere from $1 to $1.50 depending on the machine, if it's a special event or an anniversary or a commemorative coin. It might cost a little more, but you put your penny in, you pay the fee, you crank it out, and then you have this cool little memento to take home with you of this hand-pressed penny that will show a neat little emblem or icon according to the location of where you are in the parks. So we've searched for it, and now let's find them on the map, and holy cow, there are a lot. Obviously, this is a map of the entirety of the Disney property. We don't want to see all of these, so if you need to zoom in, you just do the 2 fingers on your iPhone or your Android, and you just zoom in to the specific area that you want to search. So for example, let's look at Disney's Animal Kingdom Park. So as you get closer, you'll notice that these little information icons appear. If you click on one, it tells you there's a coin press machine at the Outpost shop. Let's try to get a little closer in here to Africa, and maybe we can find one. There's one at the Dawa Bar in Africa. There's also one at the Wildlife Express train station. So obviously, wherever you are, whether you're in a park or you're in a resort or even down in Disney Springs, there are coin press machines. So that's just a really neat feature of the search function. You'll also notice that given whatever the popular searches are of the day, they'll be highlighted here for you, because maybe a lot of people are searching for Star Wars or restrooms today. So that's one way of just searching what's popular by other people using the app. So I really hope you found this useful. Again, get to know this app. It's a fabulous tool for when you're in the parks, and check out some more videos on how to use the My Disney app coming to you soon. Have a magical day.